Hello, in this video I will show you how to use macro mode on OPPO Find X3 Pro. So you have to start with opening your camera application, and by default macro mode is set to auto turn on. So if you put your camera close enough to some object, you can see that up here it turns automatically to macro mode. And if you want to turn that feature off, you can click here on the three dots icon and click here on auto macro, and now if you put your phone close, it won't turn on. So keep that feature turned on and your auto macro mode will be always turned on. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.